Horses out. We have Mr. Xavier past the begin. Moving up party out. So now is Piece of My Wish. Trojan 9 in third. Then comes Perfection, Madam Leonora and Gedia. Then followed by Half Medium Good Hope, or rather Zol Invictus, Friendly Fire Good Hope. Then comes center number 12, Real Heaven, Thrill of Victory, and Reading Machine is the early trailer. Now we have Mr. Xavier by about 3 lengths. And in second, moving up now is Perfection, Piece of My Wish, that's back in third. And Getty is racing in fourth. Sol Invictus now in fifth. Trojan Knight, Madam Leonora, Friendly Fire, Half Medium, Real Heaven. Then comes Good Hope, Thrill of Victory, and Reading Machine is still racing in last. Mr. Xavier by Oraneka. And on the outside is Perfection, and Getty on the outside third. Piece of My Wish is racing in fourth, moving up Sol Invictus. But it's still Mr. Xavier by only half a length. Moving up on the outside is Getty. Racing in third, Perfection, Sol Invictus, Piece of My Wish. As they come down at the last 150. And it's still Mr. Xavier and Getty fighting it out for the lead. Mr. Xavier is running by Drell and Getty on the outside. But it's still Mr. Xavier followed by Getty on the outside. Mr. Xavier still in front over Getty. And finally, Mr. Xavier and Getty, Sol Invictus. Then comes Madam Leonora, Close, Piece of My Wish, Friendly Fire.
1:14:10.